Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you guys go ahead, hit that subscribe button right down below so you can join the gang. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time that I upload. And to jump into today's video, Pinchme was nice enough to send me a box. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. But before I get into it and tell you what's in the box, let me tell you guys a little bit about Pinchme. Pinchme is a completely free website. When I say free, 100% free. And I don't know about you guys, but I love free stuff. All you have to do is go online, register, and answer a little survey, like tell a little bit about yourself, and they send you a box every single month. They send you everything from household, hair care, face care, to an emergency kit, like anything you can possibly think of, they will send to you. You get to try it out, and all that they ask in return is that you go on their website and you give an honest review about some of the products that you tried out. Now, I don't know any of my subbies who are like me, but I'm a big Yelp person. Like, I go on Yelp to review. I go on Yelp to read reviews before I go to a restaurant, a hotel, a city, things to do. Like, Yelp and TripAdvisor together are probably like my favorite thing ever. So I have no problem, you know, giving my honest review about some of these products. So Pinchme was kind enough to send me a box to kind of show you guys today. And this is what the box looks like. It's just a white, simple box. It has a heart right here, and it says Pinchme on it. And right here, it has all their social medias, and on the back, it says Pinchme. Try products from leading brands for free. So when you open this box, the first thing that they have in here is a little welcome card, and just of how it works. It says become a pincher, choose your samples, and give us feedback. So it says 100% free. So the first thing that I see here is this Beauty baking soda, and I think this is an acne cleansing foam. And the funny thing is, just like earlier today or yesterday, I was in the store and I was talking about how I wanted to try out Beauty products. I feel like I can't say that. How I wanted to try out Beauty products. So this is actually perfect. I'm going to be using this since I have acne prone skin. So the next thing that I see is this Neck Care waterproof band-aid. And this is so perfect to just have in your purse or in the car. The next thing I see here is this Garnier Fructis smoothing treatment for your hair. It's a 1-minute hair mask. And I cannot wait to try this. And for these products, like, to be samples, they are like very big products. Like, they're not sample size. So I definitely cannot wait to try this. And the next thing I have here is a Dove exfoliating body polish. I wonder what this stuff smells like. Oh my god, it smells so good. It has macadamia. Oh, I know it has like macadamia nut. It's like a really foam. Well, it looks like I'll be jumping in the shower as soon as I'm done with this video because I really want to try that out. And a couple of the last things that I see is a Beauty charcoal, the heating mask. It's a 1-minute mask. And this is a Beauty Free Your Pores cleansing strip. And the last thing that I see is here candy. It's Skittles. And it's like this black packaging. I don't think I've ever seen it before, but let's try some. It doesn't hurt, so. It has like a zesty, a spicy kickback to it. So that's really different for Skittles. Like, I don't think I've ever tasted Skittles like this before. And that's it for all my products. Once again, thank you so much to Pinchme. If you guys want to try them for completely 100% free, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Until next time.